Hello, this is an update about Bitcoin, BTC, USD. We're less than 5 minutes away from July 8th, and Bitcoin has surged more than 5% today. It's at 21,625 now, and it went up all the way to 21,855. Now we have the high of the 26th of June, which basically today got there and found some sellers. And it's also just above this blue line of the value area high. And we were bearish before on Bitcoin. However, we did mention that if a 4 hour candle closes above 2,500, then the premise changes, and then that's the bull case. The bull case gets staged. That is about here. So congratulations if anyone took that long, despite us being wrong before that. That's when things could have changed. We're not in the 4 hourly candle, but the daily one. And then there was again a surge of over 5%. And the question is, what happens now? We also mentioned, by the way, if the 4 hour candle closes below 19,400, then bears can scale in their shorts or enter. And basically, we thought that there's going to be more dancing around the 20,000. But we're already now at 21, almost 700. And right now, because of this high right here, okay, then question is, will Bitcoin have the momentum to go much higher than that? Now, it is possible that it will go a little bit higher than that. However, the chances of being a failed breakout above it and then cooling off is quite high. And the reason for that is that usually there needs to be more than there was this touch point on the high, this one, and this one. And usually we need a fourth one. Three are not enough typically. And there's going to be some profitable longs that will want to take at least partial profits because they made a nice profit today. Some also took that long from the POC, which is this red line. So they were up maybe 7%. And depending how long they were in that long, and they will be wanting to mitigate the risk by lowering their position. So, in summary, now it would be the time for longs to take partial profit at least. And then there's also this line, this is the EMA, okay? The 20-day EMA, which is about 21,184. Bitcoin can easily cool off to there. That is from the high. That's almost 3%. So if you're trading on margin, leverage trading, that's way too much. 3% move against your leverage long position. So here is a place to partial take partial profits on the long. Take partial profit. Okay, if you were long right here. Okay, around this area. And we will continue to update about Bitcoin. It is going through probably a range here, and it can definitely go higher, but it's not necessarily the end of more down. The game is open. Just currently, there's a place to take partial profit and find a possible better entry a bit later. Thank you.